We're back.
We're back.
You're back.
I'm back.
You're back. I'm back.
There's cheese, there's wine.
We're together again.
What is this melty bit of goodness?
It is your favorite cheese in the entire world.
It is very true. It is my favorite cheese in the entire world.
If you ever upset this wonderful man and you have to make it up to him and you need an apology gift, this is it. God, this is such a special cheese and one that I'm so thrilled about all the time, and we finally have enough that we can share it with you here. This is Epoisses. It is from Burgundy. It is one of the stinkiest cheeses we have, the funkiest cheeses we have, the sexiest cheeses we have.
It is offensive.
In the best kind of way. I mean, it is oozing out for you as we speak, and I think that is just a really, really good sign. Now, when you take this home, I don't want you to cut it like I just did. We need to cut it like this so that people can have samples, enjoy, and fun, but instead, keep it whole, lop off the top, stick a spoon in it, call it a day. Now, let's talk about what this is. This is monk-level goodness, but we almost lost it in the Second World War. All of the men that perished in the Second World War were gone, and it left all of the women to have to pick up everything that they were doing, and it left all of the dairy production behind. It wasn't revived until 1956, and boy are we lucky that they brought it back.
For a while,
yeah, it was, and it was almost nearly extinct. Like, we've lost tons of things to war and famine and disease. I mean, it's one of the most unfortunate parts of food tradition, but this one was lost and revived.
Who revived it? How did that happen?
The Berthauts. They found the recipe. They started making it again. Before the war, there were 300 different dairies making this cheese, and it was revived by one.
Wow.
And now we're back.
That's
so
amazing.
This is traditionally raw cow's milk that gets washed in Marc de Bourgogne, which is Italian, like French grappa.
Yeah, basically, it's white lightning.
But that is what attracts all of these really, really lovely bee linen bacteria to adhere to this, to make it that very beautiful orange, to make it stinky and funky and pungent and altogether wonderful with stuff like this.
Yeah, if my heart were made of cheese, it would be this. See, it even looks like a little heart.
Feelings. We love. If you drop that, I'm going to murder you.
All right, I'm going to put that right back down. I was fortunate enough to actually be in Burgundy with the lovely folks from Maison Louis Latour. And for many meals a day, we had cheese, breakfast, lunch, dinner, and it sort of turned me into a cheese nerd. And the one that was nearest and dearest to my heart was this bit of melty goodness. Theirs was unpasteurized, which made it extra delicious. But this still, with the capable care of Antonia, the cheese goddess, achieves a level of complexity that I rarely encounter in any cheese. It sticks in your mouth. It's like a paste. Ordinarily, when it comes to Epoisses, I'm a sucker for Chardonnay. Literally, just about any Chardonnay. If I have my druthers, I'll spend the extra and I'll get the Corton Charlemagne. But you can actually go out of the box with a lot of Burgundian cheeses because, for some strange reason, reds and whites match equally well. And I've always had great luck with light reds pairing with Epoisses and various goat cheeses from the region. This in particular, they have crew-level holdings in the appellation of Beaujolais. They pick, and then they make it in the Burgundian village of Chamois. And this is stainless steel. There's no oak in this at all. It's rested in oak. That's about it. Goes through a secondary ferment in oak. And for some strange reason, 2019 in Burgundy is glorious. When you start seeing the 19s pop up on the shelf, drink them, all of them, get them. It's insane. And this is less than 20 bucks. And seeing as how we're heading into fall, there's a little nip in the air. Beaujolais on your mind, and if I catch any of you buying Beaujolais Nouveau, I will swat you across the nose with the nearest newspaper. Don't do it. Get the good stuff, the stuff that says Village or Cru de Beaujolais, one or the other. Just figure it out. It's not that hard. And the glorious thing is, these are all under about 20 bucks. So anyway, that's my rant for the day, and now I'm going to eat some cheese.
So Francis has spoken. We're not going to dilly-dally. This looks delicious. We're diving in. We love you a lot, and we'll see you next week.
Good.
Bye.